Did you know that artificial intelligence is not a single, uniform technology? In fact, it's a vast field with many different types, each having its own capabilities and applications. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of AI and uncover the 5 distinct types that have shaped this cutting-edge technology. Type 1: Reactive Machines. Let's start with the earliest and simplest form of AI: reactive machines. These systems operate solely based on existing data, making decisions and predictions purely in reaction to the input they receive. They lack the ability to form memories, which means they can't use past experiences to inform their current decisions or future behavior. A prime example of this type is IBM's Deep Blue, the chess-playing AI that famously defeated world champion Garry Kasparov in 1997. Type 2: Limited Memory AI. Progressing to the next stage, we encounter a more advanced form of AI: limited memory AI. These systems not only operate on existing data like reactive machines, but also have the ability to learn from past experiences. Their learning is limited to short-term memory, enabling them to temporarily store and use historical information to make present decisions. A common application of limited memory AI can be found in self-driving cars, which constantly observe and learn from their environment to make safe decisions. Type 3: Theory of Mind AI. Moving further along the AI journey, we reach the third type: Theory of Mind AI. This AI possesses the ability to understand that others have thoughts, feelings, motivations, and intentions different from its own. This level of AI is designed to interact with users on a more personal and intuitive level, comprehending and reacting to human emotions, intentions, thoughts, and expectations. While still limited in fully replicating human emotions, Theory of Mind AI represents a significant milestone in the AI world. Type 4: SelfAware AI. Now, let's delve into the concept of self-aware AI. At this level, AI systems possess an advanced form of consciousness and introspection. They are not just aware of the world around them but also understand their own state and can predict the feelings of others. While self-aware AI is still a theoretical concept, it represents a stage where machines could potentially understand, learn, and grow in ways that mirror human intelligence and consciousness. Type 5: Fully Autonomous AI. Lastly, we arrive at the pinnacle of AI: fully autonomous AI. These advanced AI systems can operate independently of human intervention, setting their own goals, making plans, and executing them without any need for human guidance. Imagine a world where AI not only follows instructions but also takes independent actions based on its consciousness. The potential applications of fully autonomous AI are immense, from self-driving cars to healthcare systems capable of designing personalized treatment plans. And there you have it, the 5 types of artificial intelligence that have shaped the AI landscape. From reactive machines to fully autonomous AI, each type has its own unique capabilities and impact on our lives. As we continue to unlock new possibilities in the world of AI, it's essential to consider the ethical and philosophical questions that arise. Join us in this fascinating journey of understanding and harnessing the power of AI, transforming the way